Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, second chapter, numbers and sequences. 7 sums already I have completed, 8th sum I will continue. Raghu wished to buy a laptop. He can buy it by paying rupees 40,000 cash or by giving it in 10 installments as 4,800 in the first month, 4,750 in the second month, 4,700 in the third month and so on. If he pays the money in this fashion, find the total amount paid in 10 installments. That is the first thing we are asked to find. Then how much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost. Okay, obviously when we are getting it as a cash in one installment, the cost will be less when we are paying it as EMI. Easily monthly installment like that. If we EMI, if we are paying like that, they will give some percentage of rate. They will some percentage they will keep such that we can pay it slowly in 10 installments, 15 installments like that. So like that only they are asking us to find the total amount paid in 10 installments. If he is paying as 4,800 as the first month installment, 4,750 as the second installment and 4,700 in the third installment. First we will find that. So amount paid in first installment. First installment is equal to rupees 4,800. Second installment is equal to rupees 4,750. Third installment is equal to rupees 4,700. Okay, so this is the AP series. First one is 4,800, 4,750, then 4,700. Okay, so N is given as number of installment is 10 installments. So from this we can find the SN. Okay, so SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So in this one, SN, number of installments here it is given as 10, is equal to 10 by 2 into A is 4,800. So 4,800 plus N minus 1 is 9 into differences 4,750 minus 4,850 is, so N is difference is minus 50. So the difference is minus 50 here. So this has to be simplified. 5 into 2 into 4,800 is 9,600 minus 450. So when we simplify this, we'll get 5 into 9,600 minus 450 is 9,150. So 5 into 9,150. So S10 is equal to 9150 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 7, 45,750. So rupees 45,750. First question, for the first question we have given the answer, that is the total amount paid in 10 installment. So the total amount paid in 10 installment is 45,750. That is the answer for the first one. Then second one is how much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost. So extra amount paid is equal to 45,750 minus actual cost of the laptop is 40,000. 40,000. So when we find the difference, we'll get the extra amount as 5,750. So this is the extra amount he is paying when he is getting it as 10 installment. When he is getting the laptop in 10 installment, he is paying 5,750 as extra amount. Okay. The sum is a man repays a loan of rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by 300 every month. How long it will take for him to clear the loan. So we are asked to calculate how many months he has to give the amount so that he will pay 65,000. Okay. So here loan amount is equal to 65,000 rupees, 65,000. Okay, first installment is equal to rupees 400. So like that, second installment is by increasing the payment rupees 300 every month. So 400 plus 300. Every month if he is increasing, we'll get 700 we'll get. This is the second installment. Then third installment is equal to 700 plus 300. So that is equal to 1000 rupees. Rupees 1000. So that is third installment. Okay. So like this if it is going, how long it will take for him to clear the loan? So this will be the AP 400, 700, 1000, like that it will be going. So A is 400, D is 700 minus 400, that is 300. We are asked to find the N, that is Sn. So Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So N we don't know, N by 2. Sum is given as 65,000. So this is 65,000 is equal to N by 2 into A is 400 plus N we don't know. Difference is 300. Okay. So this one has to be simplified now. So 65,000 is equal to N by 2 into 2 into 400 is 800 plus 300 N, 300 into N is 300 N minus 300. So this is equal to N by 2 into 800 minus 300 is 500. So 500 plus 300 N. Here left hand side 65,000. So 65,000 into 2 is equal to 500 N, okay, plus 300 N squared. Okay, so this one 300 N squared plus 500 N minus 65 into 2 is 130. 130 followed by 3 zeros is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. So all the terms we can divide it by 100. So we'll get 3n squared plus 5n minus 1300 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation here. Okay. So now we'll get two values for n. What are the two values? We will get 1300 into 3 is 3900, and when we add both the numbers, we have to get 5. So we will find the factors of 3900. 13 3s are 39, then 300, then 5 20, then 5 4, then 2 2. Okay, so then 13 into 5 is 65. 13 into 5 is 65 into 5 2s are 10. 10 6 are 60. So if we take 65 and 60, when we multiply that 65 and 60, we will get 1300. And when we find the difference of that, we will get 5. So we will write this accordingly. So 3n squared minus 60n plus 65n. Bigger number should be positive. Minus 1300 is equal to 0. Okay. So here if we take 3n common, balance will be n minus 20. 3 into 20 is 60. So here also we have to get n minus 20. So for that we have to take 65 common outside. So 65 into n is 65. 65 into 2 is 65 into 20 is 1300. This is equal to 0. So 3n plus 65 and n minus 20 is equal to 0. So 3n is equal to minus 65 and n is equal to 20. So n is equal to minus 65 by 3 and n is equal to 20. So since it won't be, it is not possible to have a fractional number, only n is equal to, it is not possible to have a fractional number, so n is equal to 20. We are asked to find how long it will take for him to clear the loan. So it will take 20 months to complete the loan. So it will take 20 months to complete the loan. Okay, understood. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.